Good morning to all. I am B. Kasturi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women in Ottanchithiram. Today we have discussed about in my topic Financial Accounting. First one, Introduction. What is Financial Accounting? Business entities raise funds and various expenses of the purpose of carrying on business operation and income from such operation. Then result of business operation carried on the financial soundness of the business. This can be ascertained by preparing the final accounts or financial statements. So usually prepared at the end of accounting period on the basics of balance ledger account shown by the trial balance. So first one, final accounts are financial statement following income statement or trading and profit and loss account, then position statement or balance sheet, then purpose of preparing the financial statement. So to ascertain the financial performance of an enterprise and ascertains the financial position. So final accounts there are two. First one, trading and profit and loss account. Second one, balance sheet. What is meaning of final accounts? Final accounts refers to the final statement of accounts prepared in order ascertain the report the result of financial activities of the business. So all that trial balance establish the accuracy of books of accounts. So after preparing the trial balance, preparing final accounts in the next step. Then what is financial and final accounts? Final accounts is a set of trading and accounting profit and loss account and balance sheet prepared the basics of the trial balance. So for given a financial status as the particular date. What are the main objectives? Systematic recording of business transaction, ascertainment of results, ascertainment of financial position, and communicating information for various users. Adjustment of final accounts, closing stock, outstanding expenses, prepaid or unexpaid expenses, income received, advance unearned income, depreciation, bad debts, doubtful debts. Then components of final accounts: trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account. So example for trading accounting, credit side and debit side as usual, particular and amount. So credit side by sales and sales return minus and closing stock. Then credit side to opening stock to purchase and minus purchase return to wages and carriage inwards and freight inwards, and to set of simplifying answer gross profit carried down and brought down. So that is first stage in the preparation final accounting statement. And to trading consonant direct cost of and goods sold, then gross profit and gross losses, and disclose the balance of trading account to the profit and loss account. So items of debit side of trading account, this is the stock of goods in hand. So trading account is prepared stock in fixing value. So current year closing stock of accounts, opening stock of the next year. A firm start a newly opening stock. Opening stock is the raw material, work in progress and finished goods. So credit side of the trading account. First one, sales. So sales the credit, both case sales. So both types of sales recorded into the credit side while preparing the trading account. So sales return. Sales return must be deducted from the total sales and can be minus for sales return. So then closing stock, value goods which are remaining unsold particular accounting period. So it also appears in credit side to trading account. Profit and loss account. So profit and loss statement is the financial statement and that summarize their revenues, cost, expenses. Then statement are prepared using the cash or accrual methods of accounting, and profit and loss statement one of the three finals and financial statement every public company issues. So quarterly, annually, and cash flow statement and while trial balance sheet. Then closing entries for profit and loss account. Example, in case of net profit, profit and loss account debtor to capital account. Then advertisement, capital account debtor to profit and loss account. So classified in the assets and liabilities. So assets, land and building, plant and machinery, computer, motor vehicle, furniture, trade and market, etc. So a liability, motorage payable and tax liability. There are grouping and assets and liabilities. So in order liquidity, in order performance of the two method which assets liabilities, and in order liquidity which can easily converted to cash. Highly liquid the assets can be converted into the cash fast. Order of performance. Order of performance, theory of performance. So extents of the assets within the organization. So objectives, to determine profit and loss incurred company financial period. That act of sources determine financial positions of the company, then owners, creditors, inverters and stakeholders and the solvency of the company. Different stage of final accounts: prepare trial balance, adjusting the trial balance, preparing adjusted trial balance and closing books. So concerns of the final accounts. So customer billings, income tax accrual, wages and any accrual payroll tax and additional adjustments of the obsolete inventory and bad debts gotten to return. So prepare final accounts. So final accounts adjustment are on essential part of the final account. You must also check final accounts which adjustment examples to better the understanding of concept. Thank you.